going on, guys? We are here at Key West. We got the boat down here yesterday. Blake and Nick, they have worked their tail off the past couple of weeks, and the guys at Saunders, and I mean, it was a team effort to get the boat done and get it down here. I mean, we couldn't be more grateful for everybody involved for helping us, you know, get the boat here and ready to go, and now we get to put it in action. Hopefully we can get on some sails, get on some blue marlin, and start the first tournament off with a bang. That's the goal.
We've been setting up the boat here. It's our second day in Key West. We're gonna go pre-fishing tomorrow, or I guess we're going fishing for the catch. And we've been putting gummies in all our rods, tying wind-ons. Me and Jared have been prepping hooks, and hook sets and stuff like that. We're gonna get our LP set up, and we're gonna do dead bait. We're gonna be dead bait fishing a lot, and we're gonna take some liveys with us just for some fun and see what happens. But yeah, just getting everything kind of tournament ready and tackle ready, and me and Jared just trying to have some fun.
And always giving the captain a hard time.
Yeah, oh dude, there's a power struggle right now. I like to think me and Jared are winning. We're playing chess and he's playing checkers. You know, we're winning.
They got like a little party they're doing tonight, so y'all are gonna be along for the ride and see what happens.
Can I please have Brian Kelly and Jordan from Gulf Coast Cowboys up to the stage. BK and Jordan.
Y'all, a big pick right here. Pick of the night. Unexpected, expected, what everybody wants, what everybody didn't know they needed. Gulf Coast Cowboys. We're picking a multi-platinum recording artist, one of my best friends, a country music superstar. Guys, no introduction needed. My guy, Tyler Hubbard.
Disappearing about a mile or so down the county road. Phone blowing up. Now my mind is worse. That's all right, man. Thank you, brother. Let's do this. Rocket in a bottle with a fuse lit. About to lift it off of the floor. Live on the river at Dixie Silver, smoking up a faded out 4x4. Girls heading up to the river, yeah, Victoria's Secret ain't a secret no more.
Let's go, baby. How's that?
I'm tired. I'm so tired.
Top draft pick.
Let's go, baby.
Top draft pick. Coming through.
I got arm pump.
That was sick, dude. A little chaos with the lines, you know, and then freed it up, and then we got him.
We didn't get to pet him or touch him or nothing. Baby, you ain't nothing but a masterpiece. Swaying and sipping that Dolce keys. Losing yourself in the big loud beat. You want to turn your glasses on, brother?
Maybe.
How do you do it? I can do it for you.
Button over here on the right side, and hold it down for a second. Yeah, hold it down. Yep.
We can't even fish without each other.
So if y'all just landed back, the slip Nice little day out on the water for the catch here at SFC. Boy, T-Hub got the sailfish. The only sailfish of the day on the boat. 2 minutes lines were in. He had it, knocked it out the park. You know what? I think we're looking for a bigger, better day tomorrow. But you know what? Any day on the water is better than not being on it. Especially when you got your brother out with you and the fam and the team, man. We're just so grateful to be down here. Thanks for T for joining, man.
Gulf Coast Cowboys for life.
Come on.
Get it.